Singular and plural. Rule number 4. ඒකවචන සහ බහුවචන rule number 4 ගැන තමයි දැන් අපි කතා කරන්නේ. Rules for forming plural nouns. There are 3 rules we have discussed. Then here you can see the links for those videos in the description box. Let's go to the first rule. Adding s to the singular form. Singular noun එකට අපි අගට s එකතු කරාම ඒක plural noun එකක් වෙනවා. The second rule, adding es to nouns ending in s, x, z, ch or sh. s අකුරෙන් x අකුරෙන් z, ch හරි sh හරි අකුරු වලින් ඉවර වෙන වචනවලට අපි ඒ අකුරු අයින් කරලා es අකුරු යොදා ගන්නවා singular to plural convert කරද්දී. This is the last one we have discussed, changing y to ies. y අකුර අයින් කරලා ies අකුරු යොදා ගන්නවා singular to plural convert කරද්දී. Let's go to the fourth rule. This is the fourth rule, changing f or fe to ves. වචනයක් F අකුරෙන් හරි FE අකුරු වලින් හරි ඉවර වෙනවා නම් අපි ඒ වෙනුවට VES අකුරු යොදා ගන්නවා. Here you can see the example. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. මේ විදිහට අපි වචනයක් ඉවර වෙනවා නම් F අකුරෙන් හරි FE අකුරු වලින් හරි ඒ වෙනුවට VES අකුරු යොදා ගන්නවා. But here you can see some exceptions. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. ඒ නීතිය බලපාන්නේ නැති වචන කිහිපයකුත් තියෙනවා. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Let's go to the example sentences. She used a sharp knife to cut vegetables, and the chef had many knives. She used a sharp knife. Sharp knife එකක් තමයි යොදාගත්තේ to cut the vegetables, and the chef had many knives. ඒ වුණාට chef ළඟ තියෙනවා පිහි ගොඩක්. Next example, a leaf fell from the tree, and soon the ground was covered with leaves. A leaf fell from the tree, and soon the ground was covered with leaves. Third example, the farmer has one calf, but his neighbor owns several calves. The farmer has one calf, but his neighbor owns several calves. Last example, he gifted his wife a beautiful scarf, and she already had many scarves in her collection. He gifted his wife a beautiful scarf, and she already had many scarves in her collection. This is the fourth rule to convert the singular nouns into the plural.